For over 75 years, Ferrari has built one thing: pure, uncompromising sports cars. Low, fast, loud, absolutely impractical. And that's exactly why we love them. But in 2027, Ferrari just dropped an SUV. Not a crossover, not a sport utility. A full-on, high-riding, four-door, four-seat, prancing horse-badged SUV. Welcome back to Launch Rev USA. This is the 2027 Ferrari Dino 246 GT SUV, and it is every bit as crazy, controversial, and jaw-dropping as you'd expect from Maranello. Starting at the front, and right away, this is unmistakably a Ferrari. You've got those razor-thin LED headlights sweeping across the hood, connected by a full-width light bar. There's no confusion here. The prancing horse sits dead center on that massive black mesh grille, flanked by aggressive carbon fiber aero pieces that actually do something. This isn't just cosmetic decoration. The side profile is where this car makes its statement. Ferrari has given the Dino 246 GT SUV a roofline that slopes like a fastback. It's almost coupe-like, which is bold for a vehicle this tall. The haunches are wide, muscular, and sculpted without being overdone. You'll notice the flush door handles, the blacked-out window trim, and these enormous wheels, multi-spoke, gloss black, which fill the arches perfectly. The color you're seeing here? That's Ferrari Rosso Scuderia, their signature deep red. And under these Italian villa lights at golden hour, it looks absolutely otherworldly. Before I get to the rear of this thing, if you're new here, this is Launch Rev USA, where we break down the world's most exciting cars, honest and straight. Hit that subscribe button and the bell, so you never miss a review. Move to rear of the car. Open the hatch to reveal cargo space. The rear is where things get properly dramatic. Ferrari has fitted the Dino 246 GT with a full-width light bar connecting the taillights, very similar to the front. Below that, a monstrous diffuser section, carbon fiber, multiple fins. It looks like it belongs on a Le Mans prototype, not a family hauler. And yes, there's a hatch, a proper rear hatch that opens wide and gives you real, usable cargo space. You can actually fit luggage in this Ferrari. Revolutionary? Controversial? Yes, and yes. All right, let's talk about what matters most: the engine. Ferrari isn't putting a diesel in here. They're not going Turbo 4. Nope. Under the hood of the Dino 246 GT SUV sits a twin turbocharged V8, producing somewhere in the region of 720 horsepower, with a plug-in hybrid system added on top for an additional 180 ponies. That's a combined output of around 900 horsepower. It drives all four wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox. This thing will hit 0 to 60 in under 3.0 seconds. Let me say that again. A full-size SUV. Leather seats, 4 doors, 4 passengers, under 3 seconds to 60 miles per hour. What Ferrari has done brilliantly here is preserve that high-revving character that makes their cars special. This engine pulls hard all the way to 8,000 RPM. You press that red engine start button on the steering wheel, and it doesn't just start, it announces itself. The exhaust note is loud, bassy, and absolutely addictive. Drive modes include wet, sport, race, and a dedicated e-boost mode where the electric motor fills in any turbo lag at low speeds. It is seamless, it is quick, and it sounds glorious. The ride height? Air suspension, standard. It lowers itself at highway speed and raises itself when you need ground clearance. Ferrari hasn't forgotten this is an SUV, but they've made absolutely sure you never forget it's also a Ferrari. Step inside, and this is where the Dino 246 GT SUV genuinely surprises people. The entire dashboard is dominated by a massive curved digital display that spans almost the full width of the car. We're talking a driver's instrument cluster, a central infotainment screen, and a passenger side display, all part of one seamless panel. It looks like something out of 2030, which coincidentally is the number shown on the screen right now. The steering wheel is Ferrari's signature flat-bottom racing wheel, wrapped in fine-grained leather with red contrast stitching. Every function you'd need is right on the wheel. Drive modes, volume, cruise control, all the driver aids. The red engine stop button sits front and center, because Ferrari is nothing if not theatrical. Carbon fiber close up. The center console is a masterpiece of engineering, exposed carbon fiber everywhere. The gear selector is a sculpted black piece with red leather stitching. Illuminated mode buttons line the tunnel, and running along both sides, red ambient lighting strips that give the whole cabin this low, dramatic glow at night. In the back, and this is the part that makes the Dino 246 GT unique, you get two individual sports seats, each with the prancing horse embossed into the headrest. There's a rear climate control panel, wireless charging, cup holders, and enough legroom for adults to actually sit comfortably. Ferrari has built a car that works for the whole family. Now, the number that either makes you laugh or makes you reach for your checkbook. The 2027 Ferrari Dino 246 GT SUV starts at approximately $420,000 USD. That's the base price, before options. And with Ferrari, there are always options. Want the full carbon fiber pack? Add $40,000. Bespoke paint from the tailor-made program? Another $30,000. Custom luggage set that matches the interior? Ferrari will sort that too, for a price. Fully loaded, you're looking at well over $500,000. But here's the thing, Ferrari doesn't make a lot of these. Allocation is extremely limited, which means by the time you're watching this video, there's a very good chance the waiting list is already years long. Is it worth it? Look, this is Ferrari's boldest move in decades. They've taken everything that makes a Ferrari special, the sound, the performance, the drama, the design, and wrapped it inside something you can actually live with every day. Does that dilute the brand? Some people think so. I think it evolves it. Ferrari didn't build a boring luxury crossover. They built an SUV that makes your heart pound. And honestly, that's very, very Ferrari. That's going to do it for today's review of the 2027 Ferrari Dino 246 GT SUV. This car is a statement, a conversation, and honestly, one of the most exciting things to come out of Maranello in years. Drop a comment below. Ferrari SUV, game changer or betrayal? I want to hear what you think. If you haven't already, subscribe to Launch Rev USA. We bring you the real story on the world's most exciting cars, right here, every week. Like this video if you enjoyed it. It genuinely helps the channel grow. And hey, if you want to see more content like this, check out our last video right up here. You're going to love it. This is Launch Rev USA. I'm out.